What's up, y'all? So guess what? I'm not going to take too much of your time today, but I wanted to hit you with a quick nugget on the power of niches, right? In case you don't know, a niche is real specific and it's a specialty, right? The more you niche down, the more money you make in your business. So the question here is, how do you find your niche? The answer is, well, that's what I'm going to talk to you about in this video. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and they call me the Draping Queen. Why? Because I help creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients doing exactly what they love, which is premium draping. Okay guys, so having a specific niche can set you apart from the competition. Before I get into how to niche down, go ahead and do me a favor and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you always have access to the latest and greatest in the world of premium draping. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to tell you all the tea on how to choose your niche. Choosing a niche is a lot like being in love. Now, don't turn your nose up at it, sis. Hear me out at first. Because when you're first in love, like that good old cupcake puppy love, you're super vested in a relationship, right? You can start finding out everything that you can about your significant other. You ultimately can kind of call yourself an expert on your new boo. You're happy, you're in love, and it's all good. While your niche is kind of like the same thing. You become so vested in a certain area that you can be considered an expert. And to be blunt, people love dealing with experts, right? So think about it. If you had to have an operation done, right? Are you going to want the first year nurse or the 15 years in the game specialist who know exactly what they're doing when it comes to this kind of operation? Exactly. When you label yourself as an expert in a particular field, then you put yourself on a pedestal and the go-to person for that particular thing. Now for me, I'm niche down already, right? Where I only focus on doing backdrops and premium draping. That's what I love. It's what I'm great at. And it's what I can do all day with no pressure. Now, you may not like doing backdrops and you may like only doing full room draping, or maybe you like only doing backdrops for baby showers, or how about doing backdrops and draping for corporate events, right? The point is, niching down is going to further your ability to have success. Now it's up to you to figure out what your niche is and where you want your focus to be. And the best way to go about it is to think about what you love. What is an area that you are willing to study, practice, and become an expert in, right? What do you want to focus on in your premium draping business? That, my friend, is where you need to niche down to and focus on that and become the best person that you know that can do it. It's just that simple. Point is, don't try to be good at everything, right? Niching down and focus on one thing that you want to be great at. If it's draping, great. Guess what? I got you. You need to attend my one-day labor-intensive masterclass because I teach you how to command premium pricing for your work, how to attract higher-paying clients, and how to stand out from the crowd of other event professionals, right? Not to mention, I'm doing a tour across the U.S., so make sure you click that link in the bio so you can see what city I'm coming to next. But before you go, I want you to tell me in the comments, what niche are you thinking about focusing on, right? I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I thank you for your time today.